Northwind purchases food items from suppliers around the world and sells them to restaurants and specialty food shops. You have been hired to support the order processing team. First, you locate and open your database file in the location designated by your instructor. The first time you open an Access database, you need to consider content security. The security warning message bar appears below the ribbon, indicating that some database content is disabled. You can trust the files associated with this book. Now that you have opened the database, you explore the interface and views and organize information. Note the Access objects listed in the navigation pane to the left. When you open the Customers table, the Customers tab displays below the ribbon. Click View, and the view of the Customers table switches to Design View. Click View again, and you switch back to Datasheet View. View is a toggle button. Design View gives you a more detailed view of the table structure. The tabs for the open objects display below the ribbon. The Shutter Bar Open-Close button toggles to allow you to view more in the Open Object window or to view your database objects. You make some necessary changes in the data tables. The pencil symbol in the row selector box indicates that the record has not yet been saved. Your first and last names revert back because you have not yet left the record to save it. The pencil symbol disappears when you click in another record, indicating your changes have been saved. This is different than most Office programs, which require more frequent saves. Access only requires saving when you change the structure of a field. The Employee table closes. Northwind is adding a new line of products, so you use a form to add a new product to the Products table. The Products form opens, and the navigation bar appears at the bottom of the form. The buttons on the navigation bar are used to locate records. You see the data for Grandma's Boysenberry spread. Selecting the Any Part of Field option will return a match even if it is contained in the middle of a word. As soon as you begin typing in the product name box, Access assigns a product ID to the record. Again, you will use your own last name when you are performing this exercise. Print Preview displays the first 4 records. Print Preview displays the beginning of the Pecan Pie record. The record continues on the next page. You verify that the new product is in the Products table. The newly created Pecan Pie record is stored in the Products table. The checkmark in the Discontinued checkbox tells you that this product has been discontinued. An error message appears when you attempt to delete this record because the Order Details record has related records. A warning box appears telling you that you cannot undo this action. While you can delete this record because it was just entered and no orders have been created for it yet, you do not want to delete the record. You protect the Northwind Traders database by using the Backup Database utility. The Backup utility assigns the default name by adding a date to the file name. You have begun your training at Northwind Traders by examining the Access interface, reviewing the existing objects in the database, and exploring Access views. You also added, edited, and deleted records. Finally, you backed up the database.